हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, स्वागत है आप सभी का फिर से एक बार मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। टुडे वी गोना सी द यूनिट 4 ऑफ क्लास 12 इंग्लिश फ्लेमिंगो द रैट ट्रैप रिटन बाय सेल्मा लेगलॉफ। Dear students, if you really want to revise this chapter, then please do watch the video till the end and try to answer these questions along with me and see whether you remember this chapter or not. So without wasting the time, let's get started. The very first question, who has penned the story The Rat Trap? And the answer is right given here. The answer of the first question is B, Selma Lagerlöf. Second question, Selma Lagerlöf was dash writer. Very important question. And the answer of the second question is C, Swedish. Selma Lagerlöf was a Swedish writer. Third question, what did the peddler do to keep body and soul together? Very important question and very nice question. So what did the peddler do to keep the body and soul together? Make small rat traps. Yes, ये है. Do small business of marketing and goods? No. This is not the answer. Petty thievery, yes. And fourth, begging. So the right sequence first, third and fourth, and that's in the option A. So third question, the right answer is A. The fourth question, what joy did the peddler experience one day when he fell into a line of thought? A, knowing that people are in a rat trap. B, thinking ill of the world, seeing people circling around the bait. D, thinking ill about himself. The right answer of the question number 4 is B, thinking ill about the world. Dear students, fifth one, it gave the peddler dash joy to think ill of the world. The right answer of this question is D, unwanted. Dear students, ये जो unwanted है इसका मीनिंग होता है unusual, और ये जो है C, unwanted, इसका मीनिंग होता है not needed, okay? या तो not wanted. सो इसका जो राइट आंसर है वो है फिफ्थ का राइट आंसर है डी. सिक्स्थ वन, व्हाई डिड द पैडलर नॉक ऑन द डोर ऑफ द लिटिल ग्रे कॉटेज? ऑप्शन ए, ही वांटेड शेल्टर फॉर द नाइट. यस, सिक्स का राइट आंसर है ए, ही वांटेड शेल्टर फॉर द नाइट. सेवेंथ, व्हाई डिड द ओल्ड क्रॉफ्टर अलाउ द पैडलर इनटू हिज हाउस? ही न्यू द पैडलर सिंस देयर चाइल्डहुड डेज. ही वाज एक्सपेक्टेड, he was expected the peddler. He was lonely person. Yes, the answer of the question number 7 is C, and he felt sorry for the peddler. Okay, yeah, not there. So seventh, C. Question number 8, what did the peddler do in the crofter's house? क्या किया था peddler ने? He ate porridge for supper. Yes, supper के लिए उसने supper में उसने porridge खाया था. He smoked a pipe. Yes. He played jollies with crofter. Yes. He heard some country music. No, ये बिल्कुल नहीं. तो आंसर हमारा क्या है? फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड. तो ऑप्शन है डी, फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड. राइट आंसर 8 का आंसर है डी. नाइन्थ, द ओल्ड मैन एट द ग्रे कॉटेज टोल्ड द पैडलर दैट ही हैड बीन ए और एन डैश एट द रैमसनजो आयरन वर्क्स इन हिज डेज ऑफ प्रॉस्पेरिटी. तो कौन थे वो? बी, क्रॉफ्टर. नाइन्थ का आंसर है बी, क्रॉफ्टर. टेंथ, हु सपोर्टेड द क्रॉफ्टर नाउ दैट ही वॉज नो लॉन्गर एबल टू डू डे लेबर? द राइट आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 इज सी, हिज काउ. Question number 11, the crofter had earned dash in payments for the cow milk that he sold to the creamery. The right answer of question number 11 is B, 30 kroner. Dear students, I hope you must be knowing the answer of this question. Question number 12, the crofter kept his money in a leather pouch that he hung. Question number 12, A, on a nail in the window frame. Next, 13, how did the peddler manage to steal the crofter's 30 kroner? A, he opened the door and took away the pouch. B, he smashed the window pane and took out the money from the pouch. Yes, the right answer of question number 13 is B. He smashed the window pane and took out the money from the pouch. 14, after stealing the crofter's money, the peddler felt quite pleased with his wisdom, skill, booty, smartness. D, smartness. 15, after stealing the crofter's money, the peddler couldn't continue on the public highway, so he turned into the woods. D option. 16. The rat trap peddler felt he was caught in the trap of the forest because he let himself be fooled by the bait of dash. 16 का आंसर है B, the cropter's money. 17. The whole forest with its trunks and branches, its thickets and fallen logs closed upon the peddler like a or an dash from which he could never escape. The answer of question number 17 is impenetrable prison. Option A. 17 का आंसर है A. 18. The forge attracted many dash who were looking for a warm shelter. Question number 18 का आंसर है C. Vagabonds. So 18 C. 19. What did the ironmaster first notice in his forge? 19th answer, the man sleeping with a hat on his face is the right answer. क्वेश्चन फिर से पढ़ता हूं एक बार. What did the ironmaster first notice in his forge? The man sleeping with a hat on his face. Question number 20. Why was the ironmaster different from the blacksmith? Okay, why was the ironmaster different from the blacksmith? The right answer of question number 20 is A. He didn't ignore the new man but went to have a closer view. 20 का right answer है A. 21st, the peddler made rat traps of dash. A. Aluminium, B. Wood pieces, C. Wire and D. Plastic. Question number 21 का आंसर है C. Wire. Very simple. 22. Who came to the iron mill for inspection? The sheriff, the master blacksmith, the iron master or the sheriff's assistant? 22 का right answer है the iron master. 22 C. Question number 23. The iron master mistook the rat trap peddler for his B. old regimental comrade. 24. When the iron master invited the peddler to his manor house, the peddler was very happy, a little displeased, feeling guilty or quite alarmed. He was quite alarmed. Option D. Question number 24 D. 25. Who lived with the iron master? His oldest daughter Edla Williamson. 25 D. 26. To go to the manor house of the iron master would be like throwing himself voluntarily into prison, the lion's den, a jeopardy, tricky situation. B. The lion's den is the right answer. 27th. All that the peddler wanted was to sleep the night in the forge and then sneak away as dash as possible. The right answer of question number 27 is B. Inconspicuously. Number 28. Stuttenstone was the name of the dash in the story The Rat Trap. The right answer of the question number 28 is B. The master's blacksmith. 29. Who said the tramp manners will fall away from him with the tramp clothes? The tramp manners will fall away from him with the tramp clothes. 29 question. The right answer of 29 is D. The iron master. 30. Who said, first of all, we must see to it that he gets a little flesh on his bones? And the right answer of this question as well is D. The iron master. Remember, these are the two different sentences but spoken by the same person, the iron master. 31. While the peddler was riding up to the manor house, he had guilt written over his face, evil forebodings, horrible feelings. D. Intense apprehensions. The right answer of question number 31 is B. Evil forebodings. 32. The iron master sent his daughter to the forge hoping that she would have better powers of dash than he had. Question number 32. C. Persuasion is the right answer. 32. C. Persuasion. 33. which was the first thing that the Iron Master saw when he came to his forget that night? Question number 33. The right answer of question number 33 is B, the tall ragamuffin. 34. Who said to whom? But of course it is you, Niels Olof. Question number 34 का right answer है Iron Master to the Paddler. So 33B, 34A. Question number 35. Who said to whom? You do preach worse than a parson. 35 का right answer है C, Iron Master to Edla. You do preach worse than a parson. Remember, dear students, such type of questions can also be very important for the exam. 36. Edla Williamson sat with her hung head in the carriage as they returned from church at about dash o'clock. 36 का right answer है A, 10 o'clock. 37. In the Christmas present that Edla received, there was a letter written dash with black ink with many spelling errors in large jagged characters on dirty crumpled paper. Question number 37 का right answer है C, in a large jagged characters. 38. Who signed as Captain Von Stelle? The paddler, the stranger, C, the rat trap seller, D, all the above. Right answer is 38, D, all the above. 39. The old man in the grey cottage dash. A, welcome the paddler. Yes, 39 का right answer है A, welcome the paddler, the old man in the grey cottage. Last question. 34. What was the mistake made by the old man when the paddler was in his house? The right answer of the question number 40 is C, he showed him where he kept his money. 40C. So dear students, these are the total 40 questions of the chapter 4, the rat trap. I hope you have really learned something from this chapter, and this chapter is revised properly. So if you have really enjoyed the video, then please एक like तो बनता है, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe my channel. That's it for the day. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.